Hey, it's Karen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an elevated boutique boba tea drink at home. Not only is this tea so pretty, it's also incredibly delicious. It seriously tastes like an exotic cheesecake. So if you like my ideas and recipes, please be sure to like and subscribe. So let's get started. To make the cheese foam, add heavy cream to a bowl and whisk until soft peaks. In another bowl, add softened cream cheese and sugar and whisk until well combined. Add milk and salt and mix well. Then add the whipped cream to this mixture and stir until combined. Chill the mixture in the refrigerator until needed. Add the brown sugar to the boiling water. Stir until dissolved. In the meantime, let's make the Thai tea. Add the Thai loose leaf tea into a tea filter. Seal the filter and place it in a glass container. Add boiling water and allow the tea to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then discard the tea bags. To make the 5-minute pearls, remove the frozen pearls from the packaging and add it to a microwavable bowl. Microwave it for about 40 seconds. Then remove and stir. Then microwave again and then add it to the brown sugar syrup. To make the milk tea, add milk powder to the tea and whisk until smooth. To assemble your boba tea, add brown sugar syrup and pearls to a glass. Add some coconut jelly. Then top the glass with ice. Once the ice is in the glass, pour the tea over the ice. Top your tea with 2 to 3 tablespoons of cheese foam. And there you have it, Thai cheese foam boba tea. Enjoy! If you liked watching this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. I promise to love you forever.